Hey guys, today we're going to go over how to make your own pet door or pet gate. I myself have two cats and both cats love going to the first floor. But the problem is every time they're down there, they make a big mess. So what we decided to do is block off the second floor to avoid their access to the first. Making a pet gate is just like a baby gate. It's very simple, very easy. And all you'll need is a 2x1 8-foot long pine board and a 2x3 8-foot long pine board as well. You'll also need a drill, nails, and a handsaw. If you have a table saw, even better. And measuring tapes and door hinges. You can get all these things at your local Home Depot. To start off, just measure your dimensions. For my specific gate, I needed a 4-foot long or 4-foot high gate to cover the stairway in the second floor. The dimensions are going to vary from house to house, so it all depends on what you need and how high you need your gate to be. So simply grab your measuring tape, figure out those dimensions, and start cutting your pine boards. The pine boards being 8 foot long made things very simple and easy for me. I simply just cut each of the pine boards in half. I simply used a handsaw to cut those pine boards. If you have a table saw, it'll be even easier. I have 10 pieces in total for the vertical frame and 2 pieces for the horizontal frame to hold the vertical frames in place. Simply drill your screws from the vertical frames into your horizontal frames and try to be as even as possible. That's easier said than done, but do your best so you have a nice looking gate which doesn't throw off the decor in your house. Once you've drilled your gate together, simply stain the gate. I used a oak colored wood stain to paint my gate, and then I simply let it dry overnight. Once both sides and top and end are dry, your gate is ready to be put in place. Simply grab your door hinges and a wooden plank that you can screw right into the wall, and the plank is where your hinges will be screwed into. The reason you want a wooden plank is to create a little bit of space so your door has space to open up wide. Otherwise, it'll simply get stuck against the wall when you try to open your gate. You also want to put a wooden plank or something on the bottom of the gate when you're connecting the gate to the hinge to the wall. The reason for this is you also want a little bit of space from the door. Once you've done this, screw your door right to the hinge and the hinge right to the wooden plank that's drilled against the wall. Now your door or pet gate is ready to go.